folks, I have a little tenor guitar to show you today. I've been really enjoying these. It's like, I really don't know how to describe them. It's like, does it sound like a guitar? Does it sound like a banjo? Does it sound like a dulcimer? Does it sound like a uke? It kind of sounds like all of that. And I'm not really sure how to classify it, because it's changing how I play, because it's just different. In this case, the customer wanted this. So anyway, tenor guitar. This is a little over 21-inch scale length, pretty small body, steel strings. It's got this little floating bridge and tailpiece. It's based off of an old Regal instrument. And where we go from here, we've got a really cool walnut back and sides. This is from right here in my neighborhood. Love the sapwood on this walnut. And then a beautiful redwood top. This came from my friend Ben when we helped him slice up a big chunk of his redwood. It's got a mahogany and walnut neck. And pistachio everything else. And the rope binding, of course. So this customer wanted DGBD, which is pretty close to like baritone uke, or it's like the 5-string banjo without the 5th string. But you could easily take this 1st string and just tune it up to E and have baritone uke. Yeah, it's like the redwood, it's a really long sustain, and it's a nice like folky, dusty sound. I really am enjoying it. Anyway, it's just making me think. I think building musical instruments like this is kind of like pizza. It's like, there is no way to prove what the best slice of pizza in the world is. But the best slices of pizza are the ones worth talking about, or worth thinking about. And this instrument's making me really think and feel a lot when I'm playing it, so I think we're doing okay. This is number 873. It's my last instrument for the month. Cheers.